So today, welcome to an exciting deep dive into this project that will be redefining Ghana's future, which many people aren't aware of. This project is going to be as big or bigger than the Dangote refinery once it's completed. So today we are spotlighting on this mega petroleum hub project, a visionary and grand initiative that the government has been buzzing on for a while now. The Republic of Ghana just secured a monumental 300 million Ghana cedi boost from Manshaft Engineering and Infrastructural Systems. This is going to aid in the project's construction. The project itself is estimated at a whopping $60 billion. It spans an impressive 20,000 acres, which the President Dramani Mahama is going to cut down to 5,000 because of its sheer scale, taking it one step at a time. But today, 20,000 acres is relevant to this information, so let's stick with it. It's an ambitious undertaking that is definitely going to transform Ghana into Africa's premier petroleum and petrochemical hub. In this video, we'll be unpacking the details of this groundbreaking partnership and also the whopping 300 million Ghana cedi from Manshaft Engineering and Infrastructural Systems. So stick with me till the end so you don't miss any details. Also, remember to hit the like button to show your support, subscribe if you haven't, and also turn on the post notification so as not to miss any details. Let's get into it. The Mega Petroleum Hub project is more than just an infrastructural development. The project has a bold vision for Ghana's economic transformation. It is envisioned to be a state-of-the-art complex encompassing 20,000 acres of land, which is just unheard of. This hub is not just a building, it will be an entire complex, housing refineries, storage facilities, petrochemical plants, and a robust network of supporting infrastructure. The goal of this project is to establish Ghana as a central player in Africa's energy landscape, redefining the petrochemical and petroleum sector entirely. Ghana will also be refining its own crude oil, as well as refining crude oil for its neighbors. Ghana will be a central player, having the capacity to process and distribute petroleum products, not only for its domestic use, but also for exports across the continent, as I've earlier stated. The project is also a cornerstone of Ghana's industrialization strategy, as this is entirely an industrial complex, changing the way industrialization is perceived in the country. It promises to create thousands of jobs, stimulate local industries, and also attract foreign investment, because nothing attracts foreigners more than petroleum. However, bringing such a colossal vision will actually require immense resources, that is in terms of financial, having the whopping estimated $60 billion to see this project through. Also, the technical and logistical constraints. The sheer scale of the project demands careful planning, especially when it comes to supporting the community whose lands and livelihoods will be affected. That's where this recent partnership with the Manshaft Engineering comes in. It will be providing a critical boost to make this dream a reality. The collaboration between the Petroleum Hub project and the Manshaft is a powerful testament to Ghana's determination to harness its natural resources, that is, for sustainable growth and long-term prosperity. At the core of the current progress of this monumental project is a memorandum of understanding between Ghana's Petroleum Hub Development Corporation and the Manshaft Engineering and Infrastructural System. The partnership is a financial and logistics lifeline for this project, with Manshaft committing an impressive 300 million Ghana cedi to kickstart phase 1 of the project. Half of the amount, which is 150 million Ghana cedi, is being dedicated to settling the landowners whose properties have fallen within the project's expansive zone. Because of how gargantuan this project is, 20,000 acres of expansive industrial area, this 150 million Ghana cedi will ensure that those impacted by the development will be treated fairly, because their rights and livelihood are supposed to be prioritized first. Now, the remaining 150 million Ghana cedi will be fueling the construction of the phase 1. Bear in mind, President Dramani Mahama is intending to slash the project from 20,000 acres to just 5,000 acres. That means 150 million Ghana cedi will go a long way. This will be laying the groundwork for the hub's foundational infrastructure, because if that wasn't the case, I'm imagining the 150 million wouldn't even cut it. Because of how expensive the project is, it has been estimated at $60 billion, and I emphasize on that again. Now let's give credit to Manshaft, because beyond the financial support, Manshaft is also bringing extensive expertise in engineering and logistics, ensuring that the project adheres to world-class standards as well. This is a dual contribution of capital and technical know-how, which is a major milestone, alleviating significant pressure from the Petroleum Hub Developmental Corporation, as well as speeding up the project's timeline. What makes this project truly remarkable is that it has the potential to inspire other Ghanaian companies to also invest in this national development. Manshaft's bold commitment has set a high bar, future, demonstrating how the private sector involvement can drive progress and also create a shared prosperity. This deal is not just about the funding, it's also about building a legacy that will benefit generations of Ghanaians. Keep that in mind. One of the standout features of this partnership is the unwavering focus on the community that has been affected by the project, slashing half of the proceeds to ensure their well-being, which is very commendable. Developing a 20,000-acre petroleum hub will be requiring significant land acquisition, and it will inevitably impact the local residents. Hence, the President John Dramani Mahama already looking to slash it. Now, recognizing this exact problem, Manshaft has taken the critical responsibility of overseeing the resettlement of the communities affected by Phase 1. This relocation is also about ensuring the people's well-being, preserving their livelihoods, and also providing an opportunity for a better future. Not just looking at the project and thinking of profit, the 150 million Ghana cedi allocated for the landowners' compensation will be managed by the Lands Commission. Also, it will issue an administrative fiat to formalize the land acquisition process, pushing the country far from litigation. It will be transparent, fair, and clear all round, especially on how the compensation will be distributed to the displaced individuals and families. And by placing the community welfare at the heart of the project, the Petroleum Hub Development Corporation and Manshaft are setting a gold standard for responsible development. Also, they are proving that progress and compassion can work hand in hand. The approach is not just about mitigating potential challenges, but also it builds on trust and goodwill amongst the local stakeholders. It will be ensuring that the project will have a long-term success. Dr. Tony Obin, who is the acting chief executive officer of the Petroleum Hub Development Corporation, also hailed this partnership as a transformative milestone. He emphasized that securing such substantial funding is significant and it will be easing the financial burden on the Petroleum Hub Development Corporation, allowing for a faster and more efficient rollout of the project. Dr. Obin also underscored Manshaft's role in delivering the high-quality engineering and logistical expertise which will ensure that the Petroleum Hub project will meet the global benchmarks for excellence. He also highlighted on the project's broader impact, describing it as a catalyst for national development. This hub is expected to generate thousands of direct and indirect jobs because of its sheer scale. It will be boosting industries like manufacturing and agriculture, and also positioning Ghana as a major magnet for foreign investment. Dr. Obin expressed deep gratitude to the Ministry of Energy and Green Transition, also to the President John Dramani Mahama, noting that their leadership and support have been instrumental in reaching this pivotal moment. Maxwell Edu, who is the CEO of Manshaft Engineering, echoed this exact enthusiasm, emphasizing that his company's vision aligns seamlessly with the project's goal as well. He actually described the Petroleum Hub as a transformative opportunity to elevate Ghana's status as a continental energy leader, which is rightfully so. And by leveraging Manshaft's expertise in energy and also logistics, the company is committed to strengthening Ghana's infrastructure and also driving economic growth for years to come. The roads of progress are already turning. Manshaft is set to release the initial 150 million Ghana cedi to the Lands Commission, paving the way for the landowners' compensation first and then the formal acquisition of the project site. The construction of Phase 1 will seamlessly follow suit, marking the first tangible step towards building a world-class petroleum hub. Once this is completed, the project will redefine Ghana's role in the global energy market. Beyond the processing and distribution of petroleum products, the hub will foster innovation in petrochemicals, creating opportunities across multiple sectors. From job creation to technological advancement, the ripple effects of this project will be felt far and wide. The success of the project also hinges on the continued collaboration between the government, the private sector, and the local community. But with Manshaft's commitment, the foundation is stronger than ever before. This is just the beginning, as the project in its entirety will be unlocking new opportunities for Ghana to lead in sustainable energy solutions, attracting global partnerships and also driving economic diversification. The Petroleum Hub is a project that is very ambitious. Ghana's mega Petroleum Hub project is on a bold stride towards a future of economic prosperity and also global relevance. The 300 million Ghana cedi commitment from Manshaft Engineering is a powerful vote of confidence in Ghana's potential to lead Africa's energy revolution. Also, by combining the financial support, technical expertise, and a deep commitment to community welfare, this partnership is paving the way for a brighter and more inclusive future. What are your thoughts on Ghana's journey to becoming a continental energy hub with the construction of this mega Petroleum Hub project? And what do you think about the partnership between the Petroleum Hub Development Corporation and Manshaft Engineering and Infrastructure? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Let's spark a conversation. Stay tuned to this channel as I'll be bringing you all the updates on the Petroleum Hub Development Corporation and the project's entirety. Don't forget to smash the like button to inform others. Subscribe to this channel and hit the post notification for more updates on Africa's rising stars. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.